Welcome to the Consumer Medical Report, Southern California's source for medical information.
Welcome to this special edition of Southern California Medical Report. I'm your host, Kimber. In this next half hour, we will introduce you to a world-class cosmetic dentistry right here in Westlake Village, California, which is just 30 minutes from downtown Los Angeles. With more than 3 decades of aesthetic experience, Dr. Greenman uses a state-of-the-art practice to provide a 5-star dental experience unlike any other. He also specializes in sedation dentistry and the dental management and treatment of OSA, obstructive sleep apnea. Dr. Greenman combines modern equipment and materials with virtually pain-free techniques. Here they go out of their way to provide you with the best comfort, amenities, and an amazing variety of solutions for your treatment. In addition, Dr. Stephen Greenman is a proud and active member of the International Academy of Oral Medicine and Toxicology, an organization dedicated to ensuring the highest sedation standards are recognized, met, and maintained by network members worldwide. Joining us is Dr. Stephen Greenman here in his world-class cosmetic dentistry office in Westlake Village, California. And he is going to talk about his sedation dentistry. Doctor, tell us more about this.
Well, sedation dentistry is probably one of the safest ways that a person can have dentistry. You know that out of the entire country, only about 50% of people even go to the dentist at all. And many of them avoid the dentist because of fear. I'm one of the few dentists that has been trained and actually has an intravenous sedation permit in the state of California. So we're able to provide comprehensive dental care in a state of total relaxation for our patients. And I gotta tell you that they just love it. There's no pain, they're totally relaxed, and typically they don't have much notion of the passage of time.
So now I'm here with Lori, and Lori searched out Dr. Greenman for sedation dentistry because she had a lot of anxiety about coming to the dentist. Lori, tell us about your experience.
Well, it started a few years ago. I had a very bad experience with another dentist, just getting some routine dental work done. When I came in, I didn't realize how easy all my dental work was being done. I had to have several fillings replaced. I felt like I was in here for about 10 minutes. I felt like I was completely awake during this process. They were asking me all kinds of questions. It was great. It was a great experience.
So Lori, tell us about your experience with the staff and Dr. Greenman.
After I came in for my dentistry, there's a follow-up. I had my teeth cleaned with Cara, who's excellent. She was well aware of my anxiety, and even during this time, my teeth were still a little sensitive, and she handled that really nicely. It really worked for me, and I felt completely comfortable, and I trusted him completely, and it was a really great experience.
We're here with Kirk Parker, and he just experienced sedation dentistry with Dr. Greenman. Kirk, tell us about your experience.
Overall, it was a very positive experience, really from the time I first showed up. The friendly staff, Dr. Greenman's willingness to take me in his office and discuss all of my options and then help me make the best decision. I chose to get a tooth extraction and a dental implant, and to avoid some of the anxiety, I chose to be sedated. And I think the sedation is really about providing a comfortable environment. You know, take away some of that anxiety I mentioned, the reduced pain, and then I don't really like the smells and sounds associated with the dentistry, so not hearing that just made it an overall pleasant experience for me.
We're going to go to commercial break right now, so don't go away because we're going to come back to Dr. Greenman's office here in Westlake, California, so you can learn more about his services. Don't go away.
If you are suffering from sleep apnea and you find it ruining your sleep, Dr. Greenman has the perfect solution. His new dental oral device fits comfortably in your mouth and will help you get a good night's rest and eliminate snoring. Many people have used the CPAP, which is very uncomfortable and sometimes embarrassing to wear.
The dental oral device fits comfortably in my mouth, I get a good night's sleep, and I no longer snore.
Dr. Greenman's staff is very professional and caring. Call 1-855-86-SNORE.
We're here with Janet, who arrived to Dr. Greenman's office via her husband's recommendation because he's had sleep apnea. So tell us about your sedation experience.
The night before, Dr. Greenman gave me a small sedative to relax me for the evening. Came in the next morning, relaxed, ready to go. Had the sedation, the dental work was done. Very easy, very simple. After about an hour, I was done, up and out of here, and I recommend it to anybody. It was so easy.
Imagine yourself in a deeply relaxed state for the duration of your treatment, all while being perfectly able to respond to your doctor's gentle requests. The team at Dr. Greenman's office believes the best experience you can expect is to leave more comfortable and healthy than your disposition may have been coming in. This relaxed state during restorative dental examinations or even surgical sessions is available to everyone who visits Dr. Greenman. His credentials in the service of conscious sedation are impressive. The Westlake Village dental team at Greenman DDS completed the Clinical Conscious Intravenous Sedation Program at the University of Southern California, USC. And they are permitted to practice sedation dentistry with licensure by the State Dental Board of California. Welcome back. We're joined by Dr. Stephen Greenman in his office for the special edition of the Southern California Medical Report. Not only does he specialize in sedation dentistry, but he also covers sleep apnea. Doctor, tell us about that.
Well, thank you for asking, Kimber. There are two ways to treat sleep apnea. One is the traditional CPAP mask, which many of you have heard of, and then the other way to treat it, and treat it very effectively, is through custom-made oral appliances. And think of retainers. They're custom made, they're also very durable, extremely comfortable, and they can get excellent results for people who suffer from sleep apnea.
Are you like many people suffering from sleep apnea? Well, we found the perfect solution here at Dr. Greenman's office in Westlake, California. Julie here has suffered. Julie, tell us about yours.
I've had sleep apnea for a few years, probably more than I knew. I was tired, restless during the day. I would get really drowsy during meetings. And then when I came here to Dr. Greenman's office, I was fitted for the appliance. And it's a custom appliance. It's great. I love wearing it. It doesn't bother me, but I think the greatest thing about it is that I feel a lot more rested and I sleep through the night now, which hadn't happened for years.
Many people are suffering from sleep apnea and don't even realize it. It can cause conditions such as high blood pressure, heart attack, and stroke. Cindy's joined us here today to tell us about her sleep apnea. Cindy, how did you even find out?
Well, funny you should ask. I actually found out because I have a hard time going to sleep at night. I am a bit of an insomniac. And because I'm not sleeping, someone had said to me, you know, maybe you have sleep apnea. Have you ever thought of that? And of course, that never entered my mind. And I went to go to a sleep doctor, and I had the sleep test, and sure enough, I was a candidate, and I definitely had sleep apnea. So I then went and I got the mask, and I actually had a couple different masks because I couldn't find the right one to fit. Then I had this one, and it just seemed it was always on my face. I ripped it off. My face felt like it was being blown up because I was breathing through this thing. And then he also said to me, you also could possibly be a candidate for this dental device it's a mouth guard. And I said, oh my God, that sounds incredible. So where can I get that? So I was referred to see Dr. Greenman, and it's totally changed my life. It's a piece of, it's an apparatus that I keep close to me as if I had a cell phone. I go to sleep at night with it. It's comfortable. I can still talk. I can still drink. I don't feel like I'm going to rip anything off my face, and I love it.
It's first of all important to truly understand the medical risks associated with untreated sleep-disordered breathing, particularly obstructive sleep apnea. Dr. Greenman feels it is vital for people to be warned of the severity of the problem. Of those who snore, 1 in 7 experience significant obstructive sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea means you stop breathing, sometimes for more than 2 minutes, and in severe cases over 100 times per hour. The level of oxygen carried in the bloodstream falls to dangerously low levels with a correspondingly dangerous increase in carbon dioxide. Your sleep is disrupted, and in order to compensate, harmful changes take place in your blood vessels, organs, and brain. Untreated obstructed sleep apnea, OSA, can contribute to risks associated with high blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, diabetes, vascular damage, gastroesophageal reflux, brain injury, dementia, impotence, death. Dr. Greenman will work closely with your physician to provide the most effective treatments available today. Stephen Greenman welcomes you to contact him for an evaluation to learn whether you can benefit from a Los Angeles sleep apnea treatment and beyond. We're going to go to commercial break right now, so don't go away because we're going to come back to Dr. Greenman's office here in Westlake, California, so you can learn more about his services. Don't go away.
If you are suffering from sleep apnea and you find it ruining your sleep, Dr. Greenman has the perfect solution. His new dental oral device fits comfortably in your mouth and will help you get a good night's rest and eliminate snoring. Many people have used the CPAP, which is very uncomfortable and sometimes embarrassing to wear.
The dental oral device fits comfortably in my mouth, I get a good night's sleep, and I no longer snore.
Dr. Greenman's staff is very professional and caring. Call 1-855-86-SNORE.
I'm here with Janet, who found Dr. Greenman here in Westlake, California, through her husband who had sleep apnea. Tell us about his apnea.
My husband was a terrible snorer with sleep apnea, and we had tried many different remedies to correct the snoring. Nothing was working. He came across Dr. Greenman, came in, had a consultation. He built him a mouth guard, which he wears every night, and it's made a tremendous difference. Dr. Greenman saved our marriage.
The mouth guard, the appliance, is really convenient because it's made to fit you. Mine was perfect. You slip it in at night, don't have to worry about it. If you get up to go to the bathroom, don't have to take it off, and just go right back to sleep.
Yeah, the oral mouth guard is extremely easy to use. Before using it, I used to wake up 4 times a night. I was also told that I had sleep apnea and I would stop breathing during the night. Obviously not a good combination. So since using it, I sleep through the night and I feel much more rested in the morning. It's very comfortable. It's been a very positive experience, and I would highly recommend it for anyone who snores and wants to stop snoring.
Well, that does it for this special edition of the Southern California Medical Report. If you would like to learn more about Dr. Greenman and these treatments, please call the number on the screen or log on to drgreenman.com for a free consultation. Until next time, I'm your host, Kimber Mahon.